Who are you? Where do you come from? Who are your ancestors? These are the questions that mankind has asked since we learned how to speak. Are you unsure? DNA tests provide the most accurate answers to these questions. Have you taken a DNA test yet? Did you already find all your relatives? Did you learn everything you can about your modern ancestors? Did you ever dream about going beyond the limits of traditional tests or traveling back in time? Now, get ready to meet your Israelite, Viking, or Paleo-Indian ancestors. How exciting would it be to know which biblical tribes your great-great-great-parents come from? Our scientists, at Ancient DNA Origins, developed a new kind of paleogenetic ancestry test to trace our roots among ancient people and cultures. Our low-cost DNA tests use ancient DNA extracted from bones of people who lived hundreds and thousands of years ago and provide you with the most detailed report in the field, which combines genetics, history, and archaeology. Only with Ancient DNA Origins tests can you identify your Stonehenge-era heritage, your Egyptian ancestry, your Incan origins, and more. Our website offers dozens of tests, each connecting you with historical cultures by matching ancestral segments in their ancient DNA with your DNA. Each test will teach you about your genetic relationship with ancient cultures coupled with stories about their lives. Make the discovery of your lifetime by uploading your DNA file for free or ordering a DNA testing kit. Now, you can start taking our tests. And don't forget to check out our free tests. Interested in ordering more than one test? Do a subscription and save hundreds of dollars. Remember, their story can be your story.